Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to remove any friend in Snapchat from your friends list, or from the list of subscribers. How do you do that? To do this, you go into the app. Next, you tap on your profile. You go down to the bottom and click on the item called My Friends. You tap it. Then you find the friend that you want in the list, and you tap it in the list, and wait for a panel like this to appear. Then click on Manage Friendship, and click on Remove Friend, and as soon as we click here, the friend is removed. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.